Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro Yen is definitely up on all higher time frames. Daily's up, weekly's up, monthly is definitely up. I personally am doing absolutely nothing but looking for logs at the end of all these pullbacks that you see on the 1 hour time frame. But I do think there is a chance we might get another wave down because this looks like 5 waves. That means that I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. There's a good chance this is a wave B. I personally am not going to be taking this short because I'm only looking for longs as a swing trader. But if you are a short time fade trader, you could possibly get a short, maybe take out the lower wave A, and then that right there would be the entry that I would personally be looking for the end of an ABC correction. The reason why I definitely am not going short is because I trade the 1 hour time frame and above, and these wave C's are unpredictable entries. You could go short right here at a fib bounce. It just goes down a little bit and it just continues the higher time frame trend. When the monthly, weekly, and daily time frame is up, trading with the trend is almost always going to be your more profitable scenarios. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, don't forget to check out my website, FX Pip Collector. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy trading to everyone.